interesting facts about planets and their moons. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Kids, do you know this? And as you can see here today, I prepared you some really very interesting facts about planets and their moons in our solar system and outside of it. So, if you want to pop up your brain, let's get it started! So the closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. Its diameter is 4,878 kilometers, which is almost equal to the area of the Atlantic Ocean on Earth. Bailey crater is the largest crater on the Moon that can be seen from the Earth. Its diameter is 26,000 square kilometers. In the planet Venus, all except the mountain range in the order of James Maxwell have female names. The largest mountain on Mars is higher than Mount Everest and Mount Akea combined. In our galaxy, there's a diamond planet even larger than the planet Earth. The diameter of the planet Neptune is 50,000 kilometers, which is 4 times the size of the Earth. So the planet Kepler 16b, in fact, is a real analog for the planet Tatooine from the movie Star Wars, as it revolves around 2 stars at the same time. Sounds shocking, right? Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, have the same weather mechanisms as our planet. The water cycle is a water engine which makes from huge air masses. So there's a planet 63 light years away. The horizontal rain from the clouds are pouring there and cutting everything in its path. Conrad 7b, the planet where it rains with the stones. If you can withstand the extreme temperatures of this planet, it will be a very interesting sight indeed. Trash 2b, the blackest planet in the Milky Way galaxy. It is darker than coal. If you could put Saturn in a bath, it would float. The weight of the Earth is more weight of the Moon than 80 times. So there's an ocean on Uranus. It's located at a depth of 10,000 kilometers, and it's an ocean of methane, ammonia, and water. Its temperature reaches up over 2,000 degrees Celsius, something so shocking for you all, right? The planet, the moon Titan, which was a moon of Neptune, in fact is an independent planet before. Sweepstone is the weirdest planet because it's 10 hours here. This is the time period which it takes the complete turn around its star, the time it takes. The system TRAPPIST-1 may have 3 habitable planets. And under the surface of Titan, there is a liquid ocean of very salty water and that mixture of ammonia. Ganymede is Jupiter's largest moon. Its size surpasses even the planet Mercury. The diameter of Ganymede is more than 5,000 kilometers. The planet Mars, name got it from the Roman god of war because the blood and everything from the same color. The extrasolar moon is found in the system of Kepler 1625, and which is the size of Neptune. The surface of Pluto looks like a dim point in the sky when you see the sun over there. Callisto is the most holy satellite in the solar system because the bigger amount of craters there. The largest crater on Pebbles has 1/3 of a diameter of Pebbles itself. So Mercury has a very big day. It's equal to 176 days on Earth. The reason for this is the very slow rotation around its axis, but it takes Mercury to make one rotation around the sun revolution in 88 days. The Van Canyon on Mars is larger than the Grand Canyon on Earth. Jupiter, there is a moon in Europa where it's covered with oceans on the entire surface of the satellite. It's covered in ice. It has cryovolcanisms which spill ice and Pluto ammonia in Pluto. Mercury was the moon of Venus in the distant past. So shocking. If you squeeze the Earth in the size of a glass ball, it will explode and it will turn into a black hole. The winds on Neptune reach 2,000 kilometers per hour. Ogle Moon 2005 BLZ39LB is the farthest planet from Earth. It is located at the distance of 28,000 light years from Earth. There are only some missions in Mars which have achieved their goal properly. Saturn moon Rhea has been having its own rings, but this is not yet been confirmed. Io is the most active satellite body in the solar system. So such activity is, Jupiter's fault because rather its powerful gravity which is tearing Io apart. The 27 moons of Uranus are named after the Greek god of heaven. The name of Uranus were named after Shakespeare and Ali Pope. Okay. Coco is the youngest planet in the Milky Way. It's less than 1 million years old, and it's just a baby by the standards of the universe. And Titan's atmosphere is 10 times thicker than Earth. It stretches up over 400 kilometers in width. The predictions is more than that Europa has more water than on Earth. Jupiter has the largest number of satellites, 60, maybe more. All the satellites are rotating in the opposite direction of the planet. Moon Ida is the smallest satellite in the solar system, and it is unique. It doesn't turn around a satellite but around an asteroid. Saturn has northern lights. Mercury has a fantastic phenomenon. You can see 2 sunsets and sunrises per day. But if you go to the southern hemisphere, you can witness 3 sunsets and sunrises per day. Kepler 10b is the smallest exoplanet found by man. First, this planet is the complete iron planet found in the universe. Then what if it's the Death Star from Star Wars? So shocking, right? The man weighing 90 kilograms will weigh 5.5 kilograms of Pluto because of the gravity is weak. Even such a kind of exoplanets have water. They say even they can see from a telescope. Scientists say in winter Mars has freezing temperature, cold of minus 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Kepler, this planet is 5 times larger than the mass of the Earth, even though they both look equal. Mercury has a 2.5 million kilometer long tail like a comet, because this is all because of the sodium atoms which are present in the sun's atmosphere release it in solar radiation. In 30 million years, Mars moon Phobos will explode, and scientists think most probably it may form rings around it. Jupiter can top. The planet emits a very strange sound. This effect is called electromagnetic voice. Did you like our video? Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget about more interesting videos.